Hello friends, I'm here with my channel Solving Questions with Garima. Today I'm going to discuss with you the topic that is release of water molecule during formation of polymers. The polymer can be a polynucleotide, polypeptide, or it can be a polysaccharide. Now try to understand this in this following way. So when we see the structure of DNA or RNA, their each nucleotides are joined with each other using a phosphodiester bond. So if we draw the structure of nucleotide which is having adenine at its end. This is a structure of adenine and this is a AMP. Okay, so when poly-A-tel will form, here the bond will form in between two nucleotides and the water molecule will get released. So this way phosphodiester bond formation will occur during the formation of poly-A-tel. And hence if we say that 100 AMP are joining with each other, then 99 water molecule will get released. So using this information, we have to calculate the molecular mass of poly-A-tel. So when we think about the peptide bond formation in an amino acid, this is amino acid 1, this is amino acid 2. So during the peptide bond formation, here also there is a release of water molecule and this CN bond is formed in between these two atoms. This is a planar bond. The rotation along the peptide bond is not allowed. This is just like having a double bond character. So other bonds can be rotated, which we explain in a Ramachandran plot. And here also there is a release of water molecule. So remember that whether we got question that poly-A-tel is formed or whether we got question that amino acid sequence is formed, the नंबर आपको दिया गया होगा कि 100 अमाइनो एसिड जोड़े गए हैं तो वहां से भी आपको 99 वाटर मॉलिक्यूल्स रिलीज करने हैं. द मॉलिक्यूलर वेट ऑफ 99 वाटर मॉलिक्यूल have to be subtracted from the total mass of that amino acid. अभी देखते हैं कार्बोहाइड्रेट के बारे में, वहां पर भी किस प्रकार वाटर मॉलिक्यूल रिलीज होते हैं. So here I have taken the example of maltose. Maltose is a disaccharide of glucose. When two glucose units join with each other, there is a release of water molecule in this way. This alpha 1,4 glycosidic bond is formed when maltose is formed using two glucose units. So here also there is a release of water molecule when two monosaccharides combines with each other. So in case of biomolecules, whether it can be a nucleic acid forming a phosphodiester bond, can be an amino acid with a peptide bond, or it can be a carbohydrate with a glycosidic bond. Every time when monomers are combining with each other to form a polymer, one water molecule is released between two monomers. This is to be remembered always. Based on this, many questions are there in a different competitive examinations. Questions are very simple and this is the only principle which is applied there. I hope you like my videos very much. Please don't forget to like, share and subscribe for my channel and also to hit the bell icon. Thanks for watching.